back to Spoken Essays. I am Harshivara and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. So let's see what we have in store for us today and let's begin. But before I begin with my Relational Database Certification course, I'm going to show you a website that I came across recently. So let's look into that. Okay. So I'll share my screen with you. Right, the screen is not visible somehow. Interesting. Let me change that real quick. Yeah. Multiple clicks have allowed me to. Yep. Nicely done. Okay, very good. Now, what I'm about to show you is something that I discovered a few days ago. I think it is internet-map something .net. Yeah, so this is a map of the internet. As you can see here, the colors are the countries here. If you scroll here, this is where you'll be able to see it. Right, I'll have to, yeah, that's the scale. That if I zoom out, yeah, that's the map of the internet, so to speak. And this map of the internet, if I zoom in, as you can see here, that's google.co.id. There are multiple websites. You can see here, if you also want a country, again, which country you're looking at. I think this is China. If I click on this will be baidu.com. Yeah, rank in China. So these yellow dots are China. I mean the country China, and Chinese links are mostly linked to their own websites. But if you look at US here, this blue thing is US. US is scattered. It is more scattered. Even only some Chinese websites link outside, or US websites link to Chinese websites, but they're mostly scattered all over the rest of the world. I think this might be Russia. Yeah, so that's Russia. Red is Russia. Then I think green is India. Yep, google.co.in is the most ranked website on India since from the year 2011. So I came across this website. Of course, yeah, very cool website. This tells me blogspot.com is the number 6 in United States, and it is over here, it's not over here. So as you can see here, all the US websites might link to other websites. Then there's this website called live.com. I don't know what that is. Probably it's a search engine from Microsoft. Okay, I didn't know that. So live.com mostly links to this country in this color. It is Turkey. So apparently live.com mostly share links to Turkish websites of Turkish origin. Then we have different countries. This orange is Spain. Then there's yellow here. Let me close that div. Then there's Hungary here. Hungary is listed here, and you can see these are big spheres. If I zoom in, you will see that these are the links that are connected. Ustream.tv, google.bg, livescore.com, wix.com. These are all the common websites connected to YouTube or hyperlinked to youtube.com, smarty.net, acer.com, kaspersky.com, phpnuke, emag, novulobs or nuvulobs, then Greece, some blogspot, enet. I'm sure the internet looks much more complex than this. Is much more complex. This is because this is data from 2011, as you can see here. Yeah, this consensus, as you can see here. Yeah, and they also have a few more maps of human diseases as well. Current maps is females, and I think there are multiple maps. There's a map of that. There is another map. This is another map. These are different maps. I think master map, please. I would like to look at the master map. That might be the master map. These are different diseases. I'm sure if I zoom in, if I click on this, what happens? Yeah, these are different websites set up by a service. I don't know what service that is, but there are different maps. Then there's the internet map, the most famous one, the one I came across. The author is Ruslan Enikiv. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is the person who came up with this, who is the author of this map. Yeah, I love this map. I love looking at a map of the internet. These are the biggest circles that I can see here, and Google, I'm sure. So what are the biggest circles around Google? One is google.co.in, one is Mozilla, another is download.com, linkwithin.com. These are the largest spheres I can think of. Spheres, circles, and of course there are small dots everywhere, like this epk.tv, checkerboard, uversion, the slingshot, affiliate guide, affiliate marketing, I'm sure, Manny Moon, the smoking jacket, cpanel.net, bro bible, sorry, web hosting, wwe.com, blackberry.com, informer, IP address. That is very cool. So that's the map of the internet. Pretty cool in it. Nice. And this is an isolated link, maybe wordpress.com. Interesting. Why is that away? Includes custom design templates, estimated percentage of global internet users who visit WordPress. Okay, but I don't think it links. There are no links that take it anywhere else. Maybe that's why it's isolated. There are a few links isolated, and another thing I came across is all the black, everything that is all the nothingness that we see is the dark web. That's a cool idea, but I don't know how much of that is true. Now I'm going to use insect element to see. Okay, so these are all divs, and I'm interacting with each div. Oh, very cool. That's how the canvas works. Interesting. It's a div, and all those divs change color, change sizes to come up, become this. Very cool. So if I were to, let's say, delete this item, and if I zoom in, nope, because it's doing that. Very cool. Yeah, it's something to think about. You can check it out for yourselves too, guys. Thank you. Yeah, very cool. We have 3 likes so far. Nice. Okay. No relation, but that's cool. Next, let's continue with our data visualization certificate. Sorry, not data visualization, relational database certification. I'll also keep my antecedent website open. World Cup database. I hope everything's as it was. And now we wait. The number one station to free your soul. Down in a 3.5. We'll have to wait a few more seconds. Make me can't confuse my best friend. I don't have that. I do have that. Okay, very good. Now it has loaded. Let's see. Let it run that setup.sh. I'll wait. I don't need to. I can open these files in the yeah. Okay, that's what I wrote the last time. What about queries.sh? Let it. Okay, I'll have to wait. As you can see here, this is the last line that I have to finish. Yep. Cool. So insert data. I don't need to keep that open. We have already finished that. Let's run these tests. In the meanwhile, I'll also open a split terminal. Yeah, come on. Where's the second terminal? Oh yeah, I need it split. Very good. So that's a split terminal now working here. It says World Cup database should exist. That means I need to build this World Cup database. What if I press reset? That means this query file will reset itself. That's okay. I come prepared. Oh, come on. Visual Studio Code begins with code. Let me share my entire screen with you guys instead of that. Okay. As you can see here, I have all the code copied and stored just in case I need to reset anything. Just in case I had to reset anything. As you can see here, the queries.sh file has now become this. I'll copy all of this and paste over all of this. So now my queries file has been reset. Insert data shall also be changed with these values. Paste. Cool. Queries. worldcup.sql file remains unharmed. Good for me. Save. Very good. Now I'll also need to give it permissions. So I use change mode to give both of my file permissions. Change mode X for first queries quue.sh, and now insert data.sh. Done. So it has been given the permissions. Now if I run this script, we should see a change. All the three of them should return true. Only the last file shall be only the last line will cause any problems. Okay, but we have to wait for a few seconds, 20-30 seconds for this to finish. So let's wait. Very good. So as you can see here, now the only thing left is this expected output, and we go to expected output now, and this is what we are left with. In the echo command, we want year and team and name of all the champions. Now what I'll have to do is, first I'll log on to the PSQL prompt thing. So username is freeCodeCamp and database name is World Cup. World CUP. Yep, now we're logged in. I'd also like to look at my data, so select everything from Games, it probably won't be in there. It is in there. Very good, good to know. Very good. So it is in there, as you can see here. 32 rows. Cool. Okay, so now I can, yeah, now I remember. Okay, catch year and team name of all the champions. Acha. So one final and second final. Got it. So that's what we're going to build. So I'll write my query here. Okay, that's uppercase. Select from join. We'll use join for now. On semicolon. Also where. Okay, what in okay, so we need the year and the name. So select year and name from games join teams on. Only need winner IDs, so teams dot team ID equals games dot winner underscore ID. Let's only show us this much. Cell, okay, there's an error. I made a mistake. Select, okay, cell set, that is not a correct word. Select is the correct word. Select year, okay. So now we have all of them, all the winning countries from each match. Instead, I will only need the winner. So I write where what? Where क्या नाम था उसका? I need to look at the CSV file. The column name is round, where the round is final. Where round equals in string capital FINAL. As you can see here, now we have France and Germany. I think they want it in that order. So we'll also order it by year. Now Germany is on top and France is on bottom, at the bottom. So yeah, that takes care of that. I'll copy this line, paste over it. Now copy this line again and paste it here. Now we shall run our code road to see whether we pass all of them. This says file exactly, so the outputs should be exact. Let's see if we do pass or not. And the output will tell us whether we do pass. World Cup database should exist. Ouch. That means I messed up somewhere over here. If I cut this and run the test, what happens? Okay, it says World Cup database should exist. That can only mean one thing. This is not solved. Let's find out. I mean, I can do it that way. Command Z. Let's run this file. /queries.sh. Let's print all of it. Cool, let's go to expected output and compare our results. It should be exact, right? I'll create fine. So first line is empty. Is there a better way? I need it side by side. Copy and paste, please. Yeah. Okay. So let's begin. First line empty, then total number 68, then total number of goals in all games from both teams combined 90, then 2.1250000, then 2.13, then 2.815, 8125, then 7, then 6. Are the lines changing? For that I need to zoom in. Okay. So 1 to 21. The 21th line says 6. Now I will scroll down. Okay. Come on. Scroll down to 23. The same way. 23. Cool. France, Algeria. Okay. 25th line is empty. 26. 8th final, whatever. Algeria, Argentina, Belgium, Brazil, Chile. Wait. Algeria, Argentina, Belgium 29, Brazil 30, Chile 31, Colombia 32, Costa Rica 33, France 34, Germany 35, Greece 36, Mexico. Okay, yeah. I'm not scrolling. Okay. Mexico, Netherlands, Nigeria, Switzerland, US, Uruguay. Next, list of unique winning teams in Argentina, Belgium, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Croatia, England, France, Germany, Netherlands, Russia, Sweden, Uruguay. Okay. Then year and team name of all the champions: 2014 Germany, 2018 France, Colombia and Costa Rica. Maybe a line is required. In that case, I'll also put a line here. Echo whatever the output is, and after that a/n maybe. That ought to give us that extra line at the end. Let's run this file instead. Clear. Let's zoom out a little bit. Cool. So Costa Rica space now. Maybe that's what caused a problem. This thing says database doesn't exist, and here I am looking at this database, so can't explain it. I can't reset the thing too. Okay, very good. Finally, you should correctly complete the queries.sh file. That is better. Oh, what happened to you? Year and team name of all the champions. Acha, aisa. Right. What was my previous score? Yeah, 2004 Germany and France. Yep. Copy and paste. Final ordered by year. Yep. Now I shall run this file. And if it now says that World Cup doesn't exist, then I'll be very upset. I can only wait. I cannot do anything else while it's running. World Cup database should exist. Okay, I'm going to run this file. Are there any errors? No, it runs exactly. Yes, commit. Please. Okay, go away. Gosh. Anyway, so now I need to go to freeCodeCamp to find out why this is happening. Maybe this might help me. Part 3 matches. The file has some sort of code. The query is completed under the PSQL variable defined. You note that you have to have your database filled with the correct data from the script to get the correct results from your queries. Hint: test your queries in the PSQL prompt first. I did. Yeah. Why do you not? Okay, I'm going to build this again. PSQL -u Postgres world cup.sql. My bad. PSQL-u Postgres World Cup SQL. Yeah. I'm going to drop tables first, then drop table games. Is there a drop database in MySQL? Yes, there is. Cool. Instead, then I'll drop the database. So connect to Postgres and drop database World Cup. It will take a few seconds to drop the database. There is one other session using the database, being accessed by other users. I guess you in it. Yeah. Yep, I'll ask it again. I'm sure it is these people that are fine. I can't drop if I can't drop the database, then I can do one thing. I can log in as Postgres. Postgres is root, so yeah. If I drop database World Cup here, it should work. Right, connect to Postgres. Cool. Now let's call that command, drop database World Cup. There is one other session using the database. Fine, that's okay. In that case, I'll only drop table. To drop the table, I need to connect to the World Cup thing. RLD cup /d, please. You can see here only teams exists now. We will drop table, come on, table teams as well. Table has been dropped, then exit, then log in with freeCodeCamp. Not now. Let's run this. Now this should say that it actually doesn't exist. Exactly, World Cup database should exist. So now I'll ask it to build my database. Alter table, row, cool. So now my database exists. And I'm going to remove this exact line here. The order by year line. Apparently that seems to be causing problems. If it's, yeah, that means it's trying to run that insert data file. It says World Cup database should exist. And you can see here, if it's a test, then you run this. So when I click on run, it runs the test with this Postgres argument. Yeah, as if I do not understand what that is. So only way I can think of now is to what are you? Insert data, right? So insert backup, renamed World Cup SQL file is already set, renamed. Oh yeah, if I have all the queries, then paste. Cool. SQL file, I don't need to close it. Queries, yeah. Let us reset all of it. Yeah, I want to reset my progress, man. Chill. जैसे ये reset हो जाएगा, this will become empty. It did not somehow. Yep, it's gone. You are also gone, except for this select. Very good. Right. Now I shall select all and copy it and also save it. Select all, paste, and go to backup, select all, copy, and go to insert data, select all and paste. The same thing has been copied and pasted, so nothing to worry about. This truncate works. Cool. Let me exit the Postgres, but before I do that, I want to log on to World Cup test to see what happens. Oh, right, /d please. This also has games and teams. What does games look like? Select everything from games, empty. Oh, so you test it by doing that. Okay, got it. Q, exit. I will log in with my freeCodeCamp account. I don't mind. /d shall reveal that we have games and teams, and they should be empty, right? So again, select everything from games, please. Very good, it is empty. Quit. Good. Now we have to make them executable, and then cool. Let's make them executable, and you know what? I'll press Command Z so that queries is not disturbed yet. Cool. Change mode again for queries and insert data. Done. Now I will run this file. So this will become true, this will become true, all of them will be true except for this line again. I have to wait for a few seconds because insert data takes approximately 20 seconds to finish. it says World Cup database should exist. So let's find out what is wrong with this, what's causing problems. Dot slash. Now when it says World Cup database should exist, that probably means that insert data failed. I'm guessing, I don't know what is correct, what is true. This doesn't go beyond telling me that my insert data timer ran out. That is what I'm going to assume, because if I press Command Z and I only keep them executables, and if I run this, then all these will return true. Should add each unique item to the tables. Yeah. So that tells me that the timer failed to finish on time. So it sometimes passes, sometimes it doesn't. That is the only conclusion I can come up with. Maybe if there is a better one, then I don't mind sharing it with you. I will also do one thing. I'll also share the screen timer with you, so that shall be visible now to you guys. Yeah, the timer will be visible. I'll keep the mic off for for any feedback issues, to avoid feedback issues. Yeah. Okay, right, and let me now open the clock, the stopwatch. Yeah, the stopwatch will do. Okay, I will try to insert data.sh. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, and go. $12, 15, 16, 18 seconds, almost 19 seconds. So if I run this now, what happens? Again, I should have waited for a few seconds. Okay, it means by approximately 15 seconds this should be done. 14, 15. It says World Cup database should exist. I'm going to try and run this file again. Wait, I have another idea. When the test was run, that means in Postgres database, if I log on to Postgres World Cup with the username Postgres, the root, I'll be able to see what the data looks like. So select everything from games. Yeah, as you can see here, now we have 32 rows. So it did successfully enter 32 rows. Yeah. How about teams? TEAMS, please. Teams also have 24 rows. Why did the test not run then? I also have added the drop table truncate, so why not? Oh, I also should have done that. Reset, resume, please. It says World Cup database should exist. So I think maybe I should increase the time. In that case, I have ways to do it. I don't mind. I'll copy this, paste my backup code, Command All and paste. Okay, now I'll make radical changes to this thing by echo cool. ठीक है, ये भी सब इंसर्टेड इनटू टीम्स सब क्यों हटाओ. insert कर दिया ना बस. Echo this line. Okay, the same thing here. Echo this line. Cool. Let's find out if that does make it faster. Reset. And कोई है कि नहीं? अला 1 घंटे में? Okay. Yeah. Right. But we don't have any viewers. Ouch. Painful. Anyway, we do what we do, even if it is being far. Right. I'll go here and start. Is it stuck? I can't tell. And it is past 20-second limit, so yeah. 25 seconds. I'll reset this. Well, not 25, it said 28 anyway. I'm going to remove this if statement. Let's see what happens when we completely remove it. Oh, right, we need that echo line. हटाओ. बनाओ winner opponent, फिर winner opponent को reset करो यहाँ पे, I mean define करो और फिर यहाँ पे रखो. Let's see what happens. Ding 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 ding. Let's run this. What happens when the screen is off? The screen is off, then you see the lock screen. If I log in, yeah, okay, that's what you look at. Okay. Anyway, insert data.sh, begin. Error. I don't care about the errors. Finish inserting data, please. Seconds have passed. It's stuck. That France already exists. I don't care whether France exists. You do what you've got to do. And that's why the project has problems. Now let's keep the if statements then. For inserting the teams, not the insert it into games. Let's run this again, reset and start. Seconds. Nope. No can do. Unfortunately, I can't do that without that. It enters the team name quite sufficiently. It has problems when we are inserting data into games. I mean, no problems, it's slower, I should say. If I store it as a variable, what happens? Nope, no data was inserted apparently. Pause, reset. There is even longer. I need to look into that key thing. I'll be back. Hello. Sorry about that. Had to take care of a few things. Now I'm live. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'm working on this as well. Insert backup and queries. Anyway, go back to this. Let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, it will take exactly. Stop the mic. Can you guys see that? Should be able to see that now. Okay, you see a black screen, right? Why is that the case? Look at your properties. Yeah, that's the Xiaomi camera. Interesting. Oh, because it's the camera, I should be sharing my screen. Sorry. Right, the screen has been shared. So you guys should be looking at the clock. Yep, okay. So I have the stopwatch with me. Now I will run this and see whether, but does it insert data or not? I don't think it does, so I'll use echo instead. Now we run this file. Start. Oh, I think 16 seconds, 16, 17, somewhere in the, definitely below 20. So let me try and run this now. Should have waited, but I'll keep it now. So 3 seconds approximate guess, and then at exactly 17 seconds, I think maybe 17, 18 seconds. World Cup database should exist. It does exist, but it doesn't. So that means this, the timeout, yeah, it timed out before we could do anything. Clear, yeah. So if I look at this, we will have 184 row, yeah, exactly. So I have to quit. Now I'll keep this on, reset, and start. Oh, sorry. I'll have to click run. It begins the timer. It will be done. Whether okay, I should stop speaking. The timer is for 20 seconds. The timeout limit. At 20 seconds, the test will stop running. It did not. Almost 1 second later it stopped, and it said it should exist. Means there are still a few problems with this code. But what happens when I do this instead then? So sometimes we pass this, sometimes we don't. So I have to figure out how to decrease the timing. Okay, let's run this again. I have to wait for 20 seconds. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. World Cup database should exist. It does exist. How do I know? Because I am looking at World Cup. It's not World Cup test, I am looking at World Cup. Yeah. So World Cup does exist. If I log on with freeCodeCamp, World Cup still exists. Yeah, World Cup exists. So it's not about that. It is this 20-second timeout that's taking longer. A lot longer. Because of maybe opponent ID and winner ID. Because it has to fetch that winner ID and then insert it. That's the thing. Okay, let's try and run it now. Reset and run. 20-second timer. I mean, if it's finished between 15 and 17 seconds every time, then yes. But sometimes it takes a lot of time, sometimes it takes less time. Yeah, it says welcome database should exist. So it couldn't finish it. Sorry. Wait, reset. I'm going to call it here. Start. It pauses for a second there. If I can find out why it pauses, then maybe we can do something. It ended at 19 seconds somehow. Right. And now if I run this, reset, run again. No matter how many times I run it, this should, of course, the processing speed of the virtual server also matters. Also 19 seconds, almost 19 seconds. Run it again. And it's stuck. Definitely not 19 now. Yeah, but we'll see what happens. Maybe it picks up speed later. Nope, it's stuck again, and it's stuck for a longer period now. This uncertainty is what we have to solve. Run it again. Stuck again. So these uncertainties we have to figure out. Yep, as you can see here, now it took 25 seconds. Again. Almost done at 20 seconds. Again. Almost 20 seconds, but the timeout will have passed. Again. Know what, instead of this, then I'll set a timer. Timer will stop at its moment. We won't know. 20 seconds it is. Start. The timer won't pause for you. Ended 5 or 4 or 5 seconds before. Cancel. Let's start again. Now it's suddenly stuck. Again stuck. What can we do if it gets stuck? I have to work with the processing power. So I have to somehow, okay, almost. Yeah, again. Stuck again. And then it goes at a good speed. Okay. Again stuck. Done. 19 seconds. Start. Oh, wait. Cancel. Canceling statement due to user utility. Yep. Okay. pause, pause, cancel, and start. This is the first time it's stuck at truncating. Yep, finished earlier. Every time it should finish. I'll check it for 10 times from now. This is the first time. In the first time, yeah, I'll check it for the first time now. The timer is 20 seconds. Let's make it 19 seconds. If it reaches if it's done before 19 seconds 10 times in a row, 10 times in a row, then I will press run. Start. Number 1 is this. This is the first time, first instance. Nope. It took longer. Again. So for the first time it didn't work. So again we begin. 10 times it should happen in a row. 10 times in a row it should take less than 20 seconds. It took longer. Again. Now it's going fast, but not fast enough. It finished before the 19th. It took less than 19 seconds to finish. So that's the first instance. We begin again. So once it happened once. Now let's wait for it to happen again. We are already behind, so yeah, I can see this won't done, and this was not done, so yeah, we've already finished. There's no point. So we begin again. And yep, this is taking longer. Okay, I think it takes longer because of these if statements. Let's remove them entirely. I don't think it matters about the space. Instead of results, I'll write echo ये हटाओ, echo, so no if statements. It will start printing errors, so errors will take longer, I think, but let's see. Now there are no if statements, only errors, insert or errors. Now it's stuck, and we lost the opportunity to pass this test. Yeah, already gone. Nope. Yep, and it's still going. Is it because of the Chrome's memory? This says it's a virtual server in it. Oh, this took so much longer. Okay, I'm going to start it again. Maybe now that it got the hang of it, it might be faster. Nope. Not really. inserting data takes time apparently. Yeah, there's no point. Cancel request has been sent. Enter. Now I'm going to exit this terminal and open a new terminal in the hopes of Karna. Split it, please. Ah. The bash history will still be the same, so there's no point really, but okay. Let's see, where the start button go? The start button disappeared. Okay. Start. Nope, not nearly as fast. Oh, almost. Almost. Again, so once it worked, at least, yep, now it's stuck. Those seconds are lost. Maybe it will make up for it in the next. Nope. It's still going. Okay, now I will copy and paste our original code before all the edits. Okay, let's run this maybe. Allah. Nope, not you. Test. I would like a 0, please. Just give me this number 0, and I requested a 0 and 19 seconds. You know what? 20 seconds. Let's be generous. 20-second timer. Let's run this file. Start. It got stuck at entering semi-final, then quarter-final. Nope. Almost, but no. I'll also change a few settings in this. I don't want this screen timeout to go. Let's just use the keyword timeout. Auto screen off. Yeah, let's just keep it at 2 minutes, so that it doesn't. Yeah. Yeah, and this is stuck now after Greece. It had a problem inserting United States. So I think this if statement is definitely causing problems. You know what? Instead of inserting this phrase, maybe if you know what? I should also look into this then. The tests have a 20-second limit, so try to make yourself. The less you have to query the database, the faster it will be. You can empty the rows and the tables of a database with truncate table games and teams. Yeah, which I did. Right. But the lesser we query, the faster it will be. So maybe if I need that though. Actually no. I need this, but maybe I don't need you. Actually I need that. I need it. Why? Why do I need it? Select name from teams where it's winner. Can I make it or opponent? Is that allowed? Or where name is winner or name is opponent. They're the same thing really, and I'm not even using these variables. I'm only using winner name ID and opponent name ID. Then I'll be able to insert both of what? Wait. Think. Why should I do this, and will it make it faster? I don't know. I can only find out once I do it. Copy and paste it $. इसको भी हटा देंगे, मेरे पास वो कोड है ही, सोर्स कोड. Yeah. Right. Anyway, I'll stop my screen display now unless I need to change it. Okay. Otherwise I'll get messages. Okay. Winner name ID. That means this variable doesn't exist anymore. Insert. I'll put it inside this if statement. If winner name ID doesn't exist, then you do this. ये भी echo यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं, so that happens for both of them. हटाओ line. Okay. We're still querying the same number of, no, we decreased one query. Okay, now I shall share my screen with you. Okay, let's see what this accomplishes. If it accomplishes something. Error. क्या error आया कहाँ पे? Wait. यहाँ पे error आया. Oh yeah, that's also going. Okay. Right, insert into teams. Winner ID में क्या है? Winner opponent है. Team ID from teams. Right. Final 844 and then this comma. It means opponent ID and winner ID, which is this. Yeah, so what happened? At or near comma. Let's scroll up. Let's look at the first error. Duplicate key Croatia already exists. Yeah, I took that. If winner name ID doesn't exist. Name or winner or opponent. Okay, I can think of something else as well. Name ID equals select whether the winner or the that will be problematic. Plus ये क्या है? ठीक है, उसमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं आ रही, ऐसा है क्या? What is this causing? Where is this causing problems? I need to clear this first and run this file again to see where the errors are. Clear. Opponent goals 8, final 854, and then this is where it's causing problems. Okay, so this is not able to insert the winners and the opponents correctly. Oh right, if I remove, oh yeah, completely overlooked that, didn't I? If I'm not querying anything to echo it, hataओ ये सब comments, echo 1, echo 2, echo 3. This will also print errors, so yeah, we have to. बाप रे. Let's go back to Belgium. Belgium के बाद वो it was sort of stopped for a few seconds, right? So echo. I don't know how long it took, so yeah. Let's find out now. Run. Stuck again. Stuck again. Stuck again. Stuck again. Done before time. Okay, just a second. Right. Okay. Run this again. Okay, it finished beforehand again. That's 2 times in a row. Now it's just stuck. Can't do anything. 7 seconds have passed. Yeah, we're already behind. I have to wait for the 20 seconds to finish anyway. Nope. Cancel. Run this file again. Again, it's stuck. I mean, yeah, of course it starts again. Now it's stuck again. I don't mind waiting for it, but it does not finish before 20 seconds. Yep, it does not. Okay, this was faster. Again, one time. Start. Nope, it couldn't finish before time. Next. So sometimes it works, sometimes it takes more time, sometimes it takes less time. I can't have it. I mean, this won't take it. The less you have to query the database, the faster it will be. What other queries can I remove? Oh, it was done. Okay. Cancel please. Okay, so once again, what queries can I remove? Decrease. Done 5 seconds before 20 in 15 seconds. Start. Insert into winner and opponent. Then select the winner opponent from the inserted values and then insert them in here. This takes longer. This query. Done. It took. Okay, very good. Yeah. me do. I'll have to Google my errors. World WRLD cup database doesn't exist. Stuck because DB database doesn't exist. Before all World Cup results should exist. Played around with permissions for the script, trying almost all combinations between 500 and 777. As soon as the script have 500 as minimum, the DB does not exist according to the list. Okay. Solution mod edited, delete pre-user request. What? I scanned my for any errors, could spot none, but would be super grateful if someone with a fresh eye could have a look. This is driving me crazy. Someone did. That means I should also put my queries, fill my queries, copy in case it does finish working. Okay, saved. Run this. Let's wait for approximately 20 seconds. That tells me that no. Yeah. After some fiddling around, it looks like the issue is at the very end of the insert data script, which weirdly enough inserts all data correctly without throwing errors. Okay, what is your code, my friend? Hi there, like others before me, I'm stuck with the World Cup project because the World Cup database supposedly does not exist. This issue appears once I added executable permissions to the insert data queries file. Here is what I tried, played around with permissions for the scripts, trying almost all combinations between I don't know what these combinations are. As soon as the scripts have 500 as a minimum, the database does not exist according to the tests. I was connected to the World Cup database when running the test. I did a soft reset, I did a hard reset. I dropped the database and created it from the dump file. I deleted the entire project and started from scratch. Issue persists. I scanned my insert data.sh. Just a second, is the camera correctly positioned? Yes. Right. I scanned this, could spot none, but would be super grateful. Okay. Link to the challenge is here. Okay. It is the same user. After some fiddling around, it looks like this. Year round winner ID, opponent ID, winner goals. Okay. Whenever I comment it out, the database does not exist, error disappears. What? However, the line itself does not throw any errors and inserts the data as desired. Well, now it works with the very same line that seemed to trigger the error. I had to run a button a few times more and it started working. I don't have any error. By the way, oh yeah, this still okay. Persistent issues, relational database courses. Particularly concerning the running of code or tests and terminal connection problems. I've been getting all the select command on when I do a select command. I also get weird terminal behaviors similar to the screenshots. I have finally succeeded. My solution: delete the container in code ally. Okay. Rebuild the database structure from scratch without using dump file. Paste in my previously written code for the insert data and queries file. अच्छा ऐसा that worked for you. Okay. I'm not particularly aware of why there are issues with connection tests in this section. I do just know. Okay, the tildes are showing that those lines are not empty white space. They are not a part of file output. Typically you see this with applications with less and are configurable. So this is one of the persistent issues. Sometimes if I drop database, everything it starts right. Another error I have. I cannot for the life of me get the test to pass on code road though, as I keep getting a before all hook error message. Okay, ये error तो मेरा है ही नहीं. Delete the container in code ally. Restart the project in freeCodeCamp. Rebuild the database structure from scratch without using dump file. Paste in my previously written code for give them executable permissions, run the tests and get 100%. Submit git repo link to. How do you delete container? First, make sure you have saved a local backup of your files. Insert data in queries. Log into CodeLI and click on Cloud IDE tab. All your projects and delete the ones which is causing you issues. CodeLI login. Bro, for developers, yeah. Some simple steps you can handle. I am not looking for a job right now. I am only looking for my projects. Nope. What did it say again? Now click on the Cloud IDE tab. I should have clicked on the Cloud IDE tab. Profile here, settings. Nope. बाद में ठीक है. Here are my codes. GitHub repo. Games, insert data. Truncate teams and games, then cat, then do. If winner is the winner, get team ID from winner side. Then winner ID, select team ID from teams where winner is winner. What? Where is the winner table getting added? If you don't find the winner, then you insert. If you don't find it, then you insert again. Insert into games. Yeah, winner ID, opponent ID. Insert the team, then get new team ID. Select team ID from where that is opponent. Then if year is here, then winner ID. Where is winner ID defined again? Winner ID is defined again. So yeah, they're doing the exact thing I came up with. And yet this doesn't. Okay. That means, am I supposed to start it from scratch? I switched to Firefox and did the course there. After I returned to curriculum main page and put the repo URL, it's saying I have not completed yet. Haha. Can you share your full code? Okay. Yeah, this is the same thing I'm doing. Winner ID and opponent ID. That's exactly what I came up with as well. Oh, now I pass. Okay. Hopefully, I don't have to go through those issues concerning with not passing this. कहाँ गया? World Cup database. I'm already done with this. So now we create a GitHub account. Sorry, not here, not an account. Scroll up, please. I'll go to my profile, my repositories. Wait a minute. Someone created a repository very differently. If I look at World Cup here, it has freeCodeCamp, VS Code, Gitignore, and all these files. How do I do that to my project then? What is this? Source control. ठीक है, चल pending changes हाँ कर दे always. Enter. Yeah, it has been committed. Right. How do I commit all of them? New file, new folder, refresh, collapse. What is this U? No. But how do I do it? What do I do? I'm done with this thing. So if I remove, Okay, required files 3 files. ये 3 ही चाहिए ना, ठीक है. Already have those 3, worldcup.sql and then right, I'll rename them in my computer. These are the queries. Okay, rename. How do I rename? I think here, open folder, this folder, man. Right. Yes, I trust the authors. Yeah, I would like access. Yes. Access your reminders. Nope. No need. Okay, I shall rename you. Function F5. No, only F5. Okay. What is the shortcut to rename this? Enter. Okay. Very good. This shall become insert underscore data dot sh. Are those the names? Insert underscore data dot sh, queries dot sh, and worldcup dot sql. queries dot sh and world world cup dot sql. Cool. Am I looking at the SQL? Yep. Okay, done. So these 3 files are already in my computer. I will share them. Now apparently they also did this, so I have to understand how they submitted that. Save all the required files. Only these 3 files are required. Can I do that from here? Push or pull to the GitHub repository? No. This is what? Source control project. How do I add it to GitHub? File, close folder, selection. Go, run. I mean, of course I can upload them my way, then I would also from repository files. Fine, let's create a repository. I think I have 2 repositories. One is for FCC projects. अच्छा ऐसे बनाया मैंने. Oh, I can't do it that way. This should be renamed to something else. So I'll create a World Cup 2 WRLDCUP. Yeah. Free code camps relational database challenge to build a World Cup database. It will be public. Git ignore, yeah. Add git ignore. Pata nahi. Anyway, no license really. Yeah, got it. Create repo. Create a new repository on the command line. Apparently I can do this if I'm connected. Or push existing repository from the command line. Import code from another repository, no. With HTTPS and SSH. Anyway, right, I need to add files now, upload files. Import code, no, cancel. We go to code, fork. I don't have any forks. How did I upload a file before? Projects, issues, actions, insights, settings. I completely forgot how to upload a file. Ouch. Upload an existing file, yes. choose my files. It will be in my Herschel folder. This and this, all three items. Insert queries and worldcup.sql. Let's wait for all three files to get uploaded. Done, they were uploaded. Commit changes. Done, now they're added. This repo shall be pasted here. Paste, and this, okay, we passed the test. Nicely done. Now bach gaye. Wow, perfect timing. Sahi hai. Now I'm going to do what? Close all this. 1 2 cha cha cha. Exit, exit, file, close editor, file, close folder. Done. This terminal should, okay, very good, it's done now. Yay. Okay, very good. I'm going to close this now. Clone git repository कर सकते थे. अच्छा, उसने फिर खुद को रीस्टार्ट किया. या open workspace folder. नहीं है अभी कोई workspace. Chill. Bye. Go away. Okay, I'm going to refresh this page. I'm going to close you. I've already uploaded that. Bye. Okay, so World Cup database is now fulfilled. Now we will learn advanced bash by building a kitty ipsum translator. Cool. But that will be done in the next live video. I think it's enough for this live. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you everyone that is watching this live video right now. I appreciate it. And special mention to Yogen Sir. He was the one who introduced freeCodeCamp to me. I think almost 6-7 months from now. I don't know. Yeah, maybe probably more than that. Probably a few months before that. But yeah. So thank you, Yogen Sir, and thank you everyone who's watching this live video. Thank you everyone who has been liking this video, these live videos. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys again in the next live video. Ciao.